Hi, welcome to the introduction to Go tutorial. And this tutorial is all about knowing what is Go and why it is so special. We will look at the interesting features of Go. First of all, what is Go? Go is an open source programming language designed at Google. With Go, you can easily build reliable and efficient software. Go is designed and developed at Google by a team comprised of Robert Grismer, Rob Pike, and Ken Thompson. Who are they? They are genius scientists. Robert Grismer is a Swiss computer scientist. He worked at Google V8 JavaScript engine that's used in the Node.js, the Sawzall language, the Java hotspot virtual machine, and the Strongtalk systems. Rob Pike, he's a brilliant scientist, a Canadian programmer and author. He was also the member of Unix team and was also involved in the creation of the Plan 9 by Bell Labs and Inferno operating systems as well as the Limbo programming language. Ken Thompson, the brilliant scientist, American pioneer of computer science. Thompson worked at Bell Labs for most of his career where he designed implemented original Unix operating system. Also, he is known for UTF-8, Plan 9, Inferno, grep, Endgame, and also for the Go. Now let's look at features of the Go. Go is fast, easy to learn, strong and statically typed, interface types, standard library, testing support, static analysis tools, built-in concurrency, garbage collection, and also strong community. Now let's discuss these in details. Go is fast. What does that mean? Go is a really fast language because Go code is compiled to machine code. It will naturally outperform languages that are interpreted or have virtual runtimes. Go programs also compile extremely fast, and the resulting binary is very small and self-contained. When we say self-contained, that means if you are referring to multiple packages in your Go program, then all those packages will be combined and will be the part of that binary itself. Yep, that's a different thing if you are working on a web server or a web project, then your HTML files and other dependencies needs to be included in that. But if if we talk about Go programs or Go packages, yeah, they'll all be the part of that same binary. Easy to learn. Go's syntax is very small compared to other languages, and it's very easy to learn. You can fit most of it in your head itself, which means you don't need to spend a lot of time looking up things. It is also very clean and easy to read. Non-Go programmers, especially those who are used to C-style syntax, can also read a Go program and usually understand and easily grab what is going on in the program. Go is strong in statically typed language. Go contains their primitive types like int, byte, and string. There are also structs which can contain the user-defined information. Like any other strongly typed language, the type system allows the compiler helps catch entire classes of bugs. If your uh, bugs are of different types, yes, your type system can help the compiler to catch those entire set of errors. Go also has built-in types for lists and maps, and they are very easy to use. Interface types. Go has interfaces, and any structure can satisfy an interface simply by implementing its functions. That allow you to decouple the dependencies in your code. You can then mock your dependencies in test also. By using interfaces, you can write more modular and testable code. Go also has first class functions, which open up the possibilities like writing your code in more functional style. Yep. Go has a very strong standard library. It provides built-in functions for working with primitive types. There are packages which makes very easy to create like complex systems like a web server handling the input output scenarios, or like you're working with the cryptography, like, and if you want to manipulate the raw bytes, all that can be done with the standard library itself. In fact, the JSON serialization deserialization provided by the standard library is very easy. You can simply use like JSON tags in a struct next to the struct field, and it will be there for you. You don't need to make extra efforts for writing your own functions. There, most of functions are available in the standard library itself. Testing support is also built into the standard library. There is no extra dependencies that you need to install or you have to fetch. For example, like if you have a file.go, then you just have to create a file underscore test parallel to it and just write go test, and it will run all the tests that are there in the test file. In fact, Go will run these tests very fast. Static analysis. Go has numerous static analysis tools and they are very robust. For example, Go format. It formats your code according to Go suggested style. In Go, lint rules for linting can be user specific also. For example, maximum numbers of character in a line can be made a linting rule. Wet examines the code and report faulty or suspicious constructs, like if you have sent different type of arguments in a function which were there in the definition, different in the definition, and in the calling you're sending something else, then we'll complain. That kind of static analysis support is also there in the Go lang. Built-in concurrency support. When we say built-in concurrency support, concurrent programming is not easy. But Go makes it easier than other languages. Creating a lightweight thread is very easy in Go, and they are called as Go routine. And the communication between these Go routines takes place through channel. And how can you create a Go routine? Just write Go in front of the calling of any function, and that function will be invoked as a Go routine. That's how it's very simple to handle the concurrency in Go. Garbage collection. Memory management in Go is easier than C in C++. Dynamically allocated objects are garbage collected. In Go, using pointers is much easier and safer because it doesn't allow you to have pointer arithmetic in your programs. It also gives you the option of using the value types and the reference objects. Once they are non-referenceable, so they are just garbage collected. That's all for this tutorial. Please subscribe, and I promise I will get back with the detailed information about Go and its feature with more practical examples. Thank you.